Hello traders and welcome on another video analysis. Today is Monday 13th of the August 2018 and we are going to take a look at the Ethereum to the Polish zloty cryptocurrency pair. We are going to start our analysis on the daily chart where we can see this very important technical point of support, and this is the level of 1223. Apparently there was a formation, kind of a pin bar here, and then we got this reaction of the price when we went as high as 2000 and let's say 900 Polish zloty. Then after it's 4th of May or 5th of May 2018, we got this downtrend here to the level of again 1223, and now this level of support is, as you can see here, violated, right? So we got another formation of the pin bar here, and the low of this move down was 1156 apparently. So this is our local support, but it's not very strong, so it can be broken anytime right now. So this move up was all retraced and the support here was invalidated. So right now we got the new lows. That means the downtrend will likely continue towards new lows in time. What would have to happen for the trend to reverse, or at least to bounce a little bit higher? The first thing is this trend line. As you can see here, I may mark this trend line in orange, and the first level to break higher would be, of course, this level of the resistance and this level here where the orange trend line is. So that's roughly around $1,500. So as long as the price stays below this orange trend line, and as long as this level 1,530 is not violated, we are still developing the downtrend, and there are no signs of any kind of a trend reversal yet. Apparently the spin bar is weak as well, so that's not quite a trend reversal kind of a candlestick pattern. So we still need to wait for a stronger clue from the markets that the trend is apparently reversing. So thank you very much for watching this analysis. Happy trading and see you next time. Bye bye.